Hi, hello mga channel. I am Profbanie and welcome sa ating online classroom tutorial. So this is the part 3 ng ating basic series na ating C++ programming. So today, ang i-discuss natin na tungkol sa variable. So paano ba natin i-declare? Pero bagong lahat, nais ko muna magpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga viewers, lahat ng mga nag-likes and shares, and lalong-lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. You are the part of my success on my YouTube channel. Okay? Shoutout ko lahat ng student ng Systems Plus Computer College. Okay? So, let's get started. Okay, so here is the basic principle in declaring variables in C++ programming. So kung makita natin sa ating screen yung ating deep C++ programming language, and we're going to create a new document. Okay, so click natin siya. Then working with the C++, laging ano siya, no, yung tinatawag natin na mga default program. So hashtag include, okay, IO stream na which represent the input and the output, no? So actually na-discuss natin 'yan doon sa previous lesson natin, no? Yung mga functions ng bawat commands na ginagawa natin. Okay? So again, so int main followed by opening close, then maglalagay tayo ng open and close curly braces or curly bracket. So, between these two, dito natin nilalagay or declare yung ating mga variables. So, int, okay, so my, okay, so num is equals to, halimbawa, 28 followed by the semicolon, and C out, no? Para pakita natin ano ba yung magiging output natin. So, double. Then, we have the my num. Okay. So, clear spacing siya. So, my num and with the semicolon. Okay. So, kailangan natin siyang i-execute. So, meron tayong tatlong options, di ba? Compile, which is the F9, run, F10, and compile and run. So, which is the first time lang. So, kailangan mo natin na i-compile and run. Okay, so save natin siya. And C++ as the extension. So, halimbawa, spcc computer.c++. Yun, save. Right, so using name. So, meron tayong wrong spelling. So, namespace. Then again, execute, compile, then execute, then we have the 28. So, ibig sabihin dito sa int my num, kung ano yung nandito guys, yun yung i-display. Ito yung tinatawag natin na gagawin ng cout, no? Alba, 35. So, execute, compile, then again, execute, run. So, meron tayo output na 35. Okay? So, yun yung unang steps on how to declare variables in C++. Okay, so let's go to the third example, no? So, this time, ang gagawin natin guys, no? Mag-create tayo ng program na ang mangyari dyan, if you assign a new value to an existing variables, it will overwrite the previous value. So, basically, i-overwrite niya kapag, di ba, nag-assign tayo ng my num, number is 15, and another one is 10, ang mangyari dyan, i-overwrite niya. Okay, so let's go. So, int, okay, my num, so int my num, so equals to 50, then semicolon. And dito sa 50 guys, ito yung tinatawag natin na halimbawa. Lagyan natin ng comment nga, no? So, now, my number is, lagyan natin yan as 50. Okay. Then, enter. So, next, my num. So, tingnan, no? Equals to 40. Then, we have also the semicolon. So, lalagyan din natin ng comments, ano? now my number is, so now my number is 40. Okay, so tanda nyo guys, yung double slashes na discuss natin sa mga previous lesson is just i-comment, no? So, hindi niya i-ano yan, i-execute. So, hindi siya magkakaroon ng problem sa ating program. So, except kung tatanggalin natin to. Okay, so balik muna tayo, no? So, C out. Okay, so C out, double, then my num, followed by semicolon, then enter. So, return 0, semicolon. So, since nakasave na dati, execute, compile, and execute, run. Okay, so we have the 40. So, kung yung previous natin is ano, yung nakalagay yan is 50, yung overwrite niya, so ilalagay niya ngayon is yung 40. No? So, isa sa mga example guys ng tinatawag natin pag nag-assign tayo ng new value do sa existing variables. So, ang gagawin niya, i-overwrite niya yung mga tinatawag natin ng mga previous value. Okay, so that is for the third example ng ating okay, so here is the another examples and declaring variable. So this time, no, gagamit tayo ng mga comments, no. So pag sinabi natin comments, guys, hindi siya kasama doon sa magiging program natin, no, yung tinatawag natin na pag na-execute natin, hindi siya magkakaroon ng error. Okay, so this time, ang gagawin natin, mag-declare muna tayo. So double slash declare an integer. So, magde-declare tayo ng integer. Variable. Okay, so name. Lagyan natin siya na pangalan, halimbawa, my number. Okay, so, ngayon, int my number, followed by the semicolon. Okay, so again, dito mag-assign tayo ng value sa variable. So, assign value to the variables. Okay, so mag-assign tayo. And, paano ba? So, my number. Okay, so my number is equals to 50 and with the semicolon. And next, after na mag-assign tayo ng value sa variable, kailangan natin siya i-print. So, print the value, okay, so of the variable. Okay, so paano yan? So, gamit tayo ng std, okay, then cout, double, then double quote. So, nasa loob nun is my number is. Okay, so my number is. Then again, maglalagay tayo ng double quote, followed by double, smaller than. Then my number. Okay, this is my number. So again, and std and L followed by semicolon. So yung L, so alam naman natin yung functions niya. Then we have to execute again. So execute, compile, then execute, run. So yung ano natin, my number is 50. So ito yung nakalagay dito. Yung assigned value to the variable is 50. So yung maging output is 50. Ngayon, pag halimbawa, naglagay tayo ng 100. Okay? Then again, execute, compile, then execute, run. So yung magiging output natin is 100.